Hello everyone, welcome to entrepreneurship class of Northeast Skill Center. Today we'll discuss about survey and various channels of survey. In the previous class, we have learned about data collection and analysis, which is one of the important steps in marketing research. To collect data, we have to conduct survey through various channels. So let's see how these channels help in conducting market research of products and services. At the end of this class, you should be able to understand the meaning of survey, explain the importance of customer survey, and identify various channels of survey. What is a survey? A survey is defined as a research method used for collecting data from a predefined group of respondents to gain information and insights on various topics of interest, that is, interest of the customer who is taking the survey or interest of the company that is giving the survey. Predefined group can be school students or housewife or customers visiting a certain area or a certain age group. Are your customers happy? Now, let's discuss why customer survey is important for a successful business. Gathering information from customer surveys for your organization will help you understand customer needs and wants. Successful business owners retain their customers and build a loyal relationship with them so that not only do they return to purchase from you, but they become advocates of your brand. Providing great customer service is the lifeblood of your business. By using online surveys to collect feedback, you can find out what makes your customers happy and what they are dissatisfied with. Customer satisfaction surveys are important tools improving your business and ensuring your customers remain with you. You can grow your brand with customer satisfaction surveys. You can build loyalty and trust by generating branded surveys that will incorporate the look and feel of your organization into your surveys. Customer satisfaction surveys gather specific information about positive and negative perceptions that could improve marketing or sales efforts. By using the opportunity to collect information shows that you care about your reputation as a customer-friendly brand that aims to serve customers. Customer loyalty cannot be bought. It needs to be earned. Customer surveys are essential for any company that is committed to customer retention. An excellent way to retain your customer is to make sure a customer satisfaction survey is conducted and any issue related to the same should be immediately addressed. Now, what customer surveys can measure? Overall satisfaction of customer, product-specific satisfaction, timelines of delivery, customer service satisfaction, returns and exchange process satisfaction, interest in new products and services. The last objective is to identify various channels of customer survey: email, phone call, SMS, face-to-face, social media, questionnaire, and web survey. These are the various channels which are used to conduct customer survey. Email is very familiar and convenient. Surveys get higher response when sent by email. People are also more likely to fill out longer surveys when sent by email. Email doesn't always require immediate action. Respondents can set the survey aside and fill it up later. Social media is one of the important channels of customer surveys. Social media can be an active and a passive survey channel. Polls and surveys can be conducted on social media platforms. The passive approach is one in which company listens to the conversations already being conducted on these platforms in reference to their brand. The main advantage of the passive approach is that people tend to be more transparent and honest when talking to their circle of friends than when they directly ask for feedback. Face-to-face. This method was once the most accurate form of information gathering, but that fact has radically changed over the past 20 years, especially with the internet becoming a common platform for information sharing. There are many advantages of face-to-face service like incomplete subject list, those who are unreachable by computer and those who do not have mobile phones. The major drawback in this method will be the cost of training the staff while conducting the service. Phone call. Telephone interviews enable the gathering of information rapidly. If you have customer's phone number and their permission, you can call customers after their visit and ask how satisfied they are. Most of the major public opinion polls that are reported were based on telephone interviews. Like personal interviews, phone calls allow some personal contact between the interviewer and the respondent, and they allow the interviewer to ask follow-up questions. Next is questionnaire. A questionnaire is a series of questions that are asked of your customers. Typically, a questionnaire is a combination of closed-ended and open-ended questions. For example, asking questions about the qualities and features your customers enjoy in your products or services and then incorporate that feedback into constructing your new merchandise. SMS, Short Message Service. It is a commonly used method where opinions of a large number of people are taken through an SMS. The last channel, which is web survey, sends the customer email to send the link that takes you to an HTML form that is designed for completion and submission through the computer. Here, information is quickly collected. It is a convenient and cost-effective method for collecting data. So this was all about survey and various channels of customer survey. Hope you have understood today's class and objective. Thank you for watching the video.